Hey guys, if you guys are looking for a way to up your hosting game for any kind of party, check out this Imacone Chafing Dish on Amazon. These dishes are so cool. They keep your food fresh. We hosted a party over the weekend and we bought the 4 set of chafing dish, and they were really easy to set up. So you got the cap right here with the handle. When you open it up, you can use it for a couple of ways if you want to use your own foil tray, or it comes with the food tray, and underneath it is the water tray. So you would put water underneath here, and then it would steam and keep your food so hot and fresh. Our friends and family loved it, and they really enjoyed the food that was on it. Here are the fuel. We only used 1 can because it was actually enough heat to actually keep the food hot just using one. If you need it hotter, you can use both, but one was good enough. We bought a 4 set and we used one of them for a cold dish, which also worked out really well. The setup was really simple. I was able to put this together in less than 5 minutes. It looked kind of intimidating at first, but it was really easy to set up. So overall, I highly recommend it. It kept our food nice and fresh. It really impressed our friends and family. They were kind of in awe because it was really cool. Never seen anything like this at a party. So we're planning to use this more often. So if you get a chance, I highly recommend you check it out on Amazon.